Move your gas mask. Do it. Do it now. Outside now. Go, go, go. Keep your masks handy at all times. Get used to it. Learn to live it.
Stubby, go! Go tell them, Stubby, go!
What? Stubby? Okay. Gas.
The dog is turning toward us! Everybody, go inside and put on your masks!
It's okay, Stubby, it's okay.
Thank you for my whole village.
His name is Stubby.
You are.